monsoons in India continue to be elusive. There was some hope of rains in North India as the monsoon finally hit Uttar Pradesh early today. The heavy rainfall was reported from cities of Lucknow and Jhansi and districts of Barabanki, Unnao and Faizabad. However, there is no rain yet in the rest of North India, and IMD's latest reading shows a 49% lag in monsoon ending the week on July 4th. There have been lots of crop concerns into the markets already, but let's go across to Vijay Sardhana. He joins us from ARPL and on a phone line from Delhi. Vijay, hi, thank you so much for joining us. How have you read the monsoon and what kind of a crop delay reports have you seen?
The monsoon is delayed by almost 7 to 10 days in most parts of the country. Lately, the monsoon has arrived in Madhya Pradesh and UP, and good monsoon showers are there. Farmers are getting ready for the sowing. Definitely, there is a delay in sowing, but things are now picking up.
Vijay, there have been concerns, as the farm minister also was talking, that there has been concern with the corn as a commodity, maize, and of course we've seen sugar, cotton, all of those showing a decline as far as the acreage is concerned.
Yes, acreage was down because rains were not there. Farmers were waiting for rains to start sowing operations. As I was mentioning that in MP, UP area, the farmers have now started moving towards field. So I hope that in coming week you will find that acreage under cultivation is increasing sharply.
Vijay, would you say that the kind of delay that we have seen won't really be impacting the seed maturing or yielding at least till time?
There will be some impact on the seed maturing, but all depends upon how the rain will spread during the cultivation or the plant growth phase. And also, like last year, crop was very good, but at the time of flowering, there was an untimely rain which destroyed a lot of crop. So we cannot predict right now because it is every crop, especially in case of pulses or in case of oilseeds, it is almost like 100 to 130, 40 days crop. So it's a long time in the life of a plant. But right now what we can say is that soil is getting ready for sowing. Let's wait for another 10 days. If after sowing, if there is a good monsoon, there is a good seeding in the field, we should expect good growth. But all depends upon how the remaining next 100 days are going to span out to look into the yield aspect.
Sure. Vijay, one final question, and as per the latest reports coming in from the experts, they suggest that Rajasthan and Gujarat could be a couple of states that might be looking at below normal rains. Now we are looking at crops of edible oil, groundnut and guar here, chana as well. So would you say that these crops, at least the sentiment at this point in time, is quite bullish for them?
Yes, because the unfortunate part is that when rains are bad, the market is bullish in agri-commodities. Now, this is what we are anticipating because monsoon hits Gujarat and Rajasthan virtually in the last. So now delay of 10 days, we don't know how the weather is going to span for next 10 days in those areas because there is a lot of oceanic waves and other developments may happen in Arabian Sea. So let's see what happens, but so far monsoon is late. Hopefully we will catch up the delayed monsoon.
All right, Vijay, we'll let you go at that. Thank you so much. So still hopeful voices coming in from most of those experts. And there you have, Chana, on your screen, some more gains coming into the markets today. Vijay, this is something that we have been talking since the monsoon started, or rather since the monsoon did not start. But how have you now looked at the charts for all these commodities?
Manisha, I remain bullish. I think the trajectory still remains upwards. Now, if the monsoon was to play catch up also, I think what will happen is that the rate of acceleration or the rate of price increase in at the ground level as well as the commodity exchanges might just slow down a little. But that's not to say that price appreciation will not happen. Like Vijay also said, unfortunately, whenever there's a problem with the monsoon, prices tend to go up. And I do believe that take proteins, take edible oils, take other commodity staples, I think prices are headed much more higher. It's just that if the monsoons do play to catch up, the rally might be a little more slower, that's it.
That's another record high on your screens there, 2.5% of gains in soybean and 4,150 has been taken out in the day-to-day. But that really is the case across agro commodities. Not single one of them showing a decline. All of them have been actually bullish during the day-to-day.